Happy hour. I can't feel my tongue. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. I just took a drink of Tingala, and my tongue is tingling. Tingala is a liqueur made in Colorado that claims to open up your taste buds to enhance flavors. It's made with Brazilian buzz button flowers, which for all intents and purposes is an anesthetic. With your tongue very lightly numb, your taste buds will open up, enhancing the tastes and textures in cocktails. Let's get this thing started.
Basement Bartender.
At a local speakeasy, I was recently served a cocktail with a sidecar of Tingala. I was instructed to taste the cocktail, take a sip of Tingala, and then taste the cocktail a second time. It tasted like a completely different drink.
I wouldn't talk about taste if I was wearing a lime green tank top.
What was initially sugary with strong elderflower tones was transformed into something creamy and nutty with a very strong orange back end. I had to find a bottle. On its own, it's quite pleasant. I taste cinnamon, allspice, citrus, and some rich herbal floral notes. And of course, the tingle. The manufacturer challenges you to take a drink of water, taste the spirit, and taste the water again. The tingle is real.
That was it? Do it again.
The sensation is focused on the front of my tongue, and it's just the most interesting feeling I've ever experienced. I know how it changes a drink when it's drunk right before, but what's it like to drink in a cocktail? Let's find out with Tingala's own Tropic Thunder. While Tingala has many recipes on their website, I wanted one with Tingala as the base spirit rather than gin or tequila with Tingala as an accent note. This drink mixes 1.5 ounces of Tingala, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. Shake over ice and strain into a glass with ice, and then slowly pour 1/2 ounce of Grenadine, allowing the syrup to settle on the bottom. Garnish with pineapple and cherry. It's essentially a riff on the Malibu Sunset, just replacing the rum with Tingala, and of course upping the juice to spirit ratio. But that's where the similarities end. With my taste buds chemically altered, the pineapple comes through with a bright acidity. The mouthfeel is surprisingly velvety. The tongue tingle is weird, but it's quite pleasant, and it only lasts a few moments.
That tickles me in a way that if Loretta tickled me in that way, I'd say, oh yeah, that's nice. That's the spot.
It's a really interesting way to get 2 cocktails out of one, or flip the script on a cocktail you've had a million times and want to experience something different. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Flick the buttons to help out the channel. We'll see you next time. I can't talk when my tongue feels like this.